Hello, I'm Carl Wooten with XL Fluid Group. Wanted to have a short chat to you today about some common questions we receive from engineers and contractors. The question is, what is a package pump station? In our mind, there's 5 key components that make up a package pump station that we'd like to introduce to you. Number 1, it's a complete turnkey pump station from one manufacturer. Number 2, it eliminates any scope gaps or overlaps that you may experience when working with multiple suppliers. Number 3, it's a product-specific solution that you can trust that meets all relevant specifications and up-to-date industry standards. Number 4, it provides faster submittals with a complete pump station drawing that's showing all components that you will receive in the field. And it also enables faster installation times as you receive the complete pump station at the job site at one time. And number 5, it's a factory pre-assembled and tested to eliminate any issues that you may experience at time of startup in the field. Follow us online or give us a call to discuss your next pump station project. Have a great day.